What is going on, y'all? I hope everyone's having an amazing day. Thank you to everyone that watched my video yesterday and showing me love and support. I really appreciate it. I did change it up a little bit and I wanted to make it a little bit more entertaining. I know some days are not as entertaining, so thank you so much for watching. So today we're gonna be doing customer orders, try to do an FBA shipment, but also I might do a restock on these hats at the trailer. I just stopped by the trailer and apparently I have sold 4 since August 29th. So I will do restocks on the greens. I'm gonna do a restock on the blues and probably restock on the oranges. So if you guys actually like these hats, I mean, for real, please check them out down below. Called Coastal Cowboys. We got construction going on. It's been going on for 2 years almost, like it's been forever, but it's almost done. It's almost done. Anyways, we're gonna go do that and we'll be done with the day. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope I make this as entertaining as possible. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do enjoy, please like and subscribe down below because I will be making videos every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. And I've been saying that for way too long. It's okay, things happen and I have to just understand that life goes in even flows and you just gotta get through the ups and downs. And at some point I will hit that. I know I will, and I'm promising myself that. So if you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, let's get to the video. All right, guys, so we're doing a little restock action on the blood decals right now. I'll show you right now. So we got these, and then I have 2 GTS logos that I got to get out for the Porsche. There's a Porsche decal as well. Trying to restock a couple more stickers right now. And while this is getting cut out right now, I am working on some more stickers I'm getting out so we can do a restock. Because now we are currently done with customer orders. So sorry guys, I wasn't able to finish the video, but here is my eBay revenue, $27.46, $120 on Quality Prints USA yesterday, and $213 on Amazon yesterday. So a total revenue of $362, which is pretty low in standards of trying to hit 30K. So we're at $4,153. But if you want to see me hit 30K, guys, subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and also it helped me out as well, and you guys helping find people to sorry, I'm making this so late, I apologize. It'll help other people find my channel as well. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night. I will see you later. Peace out.